like my new RV? I mean, we got pedals, which I'm pressing in real life because I bought pedals and a steering wheel, which I'm also in real life. That's perfectly synced up. Oh, I bet you wonder how long this took me to sync it up. It took a long time. And my gear shifter. But this is an automatic vehicle, so. You may be wondering, why am I at an airfield? Is it to, drive around the airfield, see what it's like? Take a tour? No, it's not. Because this is meant for an airfield. Yeah. That's right. It's a plane. So let's get back at this runway here and let's try to take off. Turn, 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 turn. Turn, turn, turn. Turn. I'm flying. Okay, so what if I step on it, but then I get out? Oh, no, 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 no. Oh. Well, my idea was you see that person? Oh, no, 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 no. Brake. Forward. So, you see this little guy? I'm gonna put him on the wing. Right here. There, you see a shadow? I'm just gonna put him right here, So now, what happens when we go J-toes? And we get a pretty good speed. I now switch to that person. So I'm the person on the wing. Remember how the wings flew last time? Maybe I can be on the wing when it does it. Come on. Break loose. Come on. It needs to break loose. Yes! Work. No, it's stuck. Well, I think we now know never to fly by RV. Because I think we all know what happens now. Just in case you missed it. Oh, I thought I was closer. This is what happens. Yeah. Don't do it.